everyone, it's Tammy, excuse me, and I am going to be making a care package for Katie. I'm using this really cute box, and when you open it up, I have lined it with blue paper, and I said, I am blue without you, love my girl, I'm so proud of you, and then I said, my misser is sore down here, and I bought all sorts of blue stuff to fill it with. So I have some mini muffins, and I don't know what all's going to fit yet. I'm going to try to stuff it as full as I can. I might even have to take that out of the box, but we will see. And some fruit and grain blueberry cereal bars. Some vanilla blueberry kind bars. Some blueberry perfect size for one muffin mix. I don't know yet how I'm going to put that. Some Brookside, I don't even know how to say that, I never remember, but this looks really good. I know she'll love that. She loves the Brookside stuff. She's probably already had this one, I don't remember. I've bought her several before, so. I also found these blueberry juice infused craisins. So I can't decide if it's craisins or if there's blueberries in here too. I guess it's just blueberry juice in the craisins. I don't know. This one might not make it in there. I'm not sure if she'll like that or not. I have this kind of vanilla blueberry clusters of grains. I think she will like that. I put these in here, which is kind of funny. Some Hawaiian Punch Berry Blue Typhoon. And then these two bars, a RX bar and a Luna bar. Both blueberry. This one's Blueberry Bliss and this one's blueberry. I have some Pop-Tarts. I don't know if this will fit, but we'll see here. Oh, this has to make it. It's some blueberry almond chocolate. That has to go, right? And some dried blueberries. I know she'll love those. And here are some blueberry pastry crisps and some Bella Vita bites. And maybe what I will do is take some of these out of the package. And the only thing that I don't think I'm going to be able to fit then is this black and blueberry sparkling water, which I'm not sure if she would like anyway, but I thought it would be fun to send. I don't know if you're supposed to send liquids in the mail anyhow, so maybe I'll just skip that. Then I have some seaweed that doesn't have anything to do with the blue, and she likes this, but I won't put that in there either. I wasn't really planning on it. So let me see what I can do about squeezing this stuff in. So should I take these out or should I take the mini muffins out? There's 6 servings per container, so there must be little pouches. And this one has 5 packs. This one has a lot of carbs, so I know I won't want any of these. Seeing if there's one that maybe Mama wants. I know she loves these though. And this one, I think I'll just open this one and spread it around since the other one I have fitting in there so nicely. Oh, and these are little packages. Why did I not think that? It says 12 crisps. Oh, there's 2 per package. 12 crisps per pack of this. I was thinking it meant per package like that. So yeah, I can do this. And then fold this down. Oh, this is fun. And then I'm going to make a little, actually I think I already did make a card. I did. I have a little card for her that you guys will see sometime, but I'm going to put that here. And that, my friends, is everything. So let me close this up if I can, just to make sure. There we go. It's pretty heavy. The craisins didn't make it in, but that's okay. I'm not sure that she would like that. I really thought it was going to be dried blueberries with the craisins, like so dried cranberries and blueberries, but I know she's not big on cranberries, so I'm not sure she'll like this. I don't know how much sugar is in it. Maybe it's something I could put on some salads or something. Whoo-wee, that's tons of carbs. So probably not. There's 29 grams of sugar. Woo-wee. So, okay, well, that will get eaten by somebody else. But there we go. So I am so blue without you, care package. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.